Hi everyone, and welcome to Let's Get Luxe. And welcome to my first luxury unboxing of 2021. I can hardly hide my excitement. If you're interested in luxury topics and unboxings, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I put up a new video. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you know that before the Louis Vuitton price increase this month, I went into a little bit of a panic buying mode before that price increase hit. And I was deciding between a Speedy Bandolier 25 and a Speedy Bandolier 30. So I asked your advice about which one I should get, and I got pretty much equal answers. So thank you so much for your advice. It turns out that this is one of those bags that you have to see in person and I guess, see on yourself to make a decision. So what I did was, before the price increase, I ordered both. The idea is that I'm going to unbox them in this video, try them on, and hopefully before the return period is over, you can weigh in on which one you think is better on me, and I will end up returning one of these because they're the exact same bag, just in different sizes. So let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, so I feel very lucky already because I've heard that a lot of people have been ordering Louis Vuitton bags and receiving the bags not in the Louis Vuitton box, but in just plain white boxes, and I'm very happy because I actually got it in the official box. There's no ribbon, but that's okay. So here is the box that we are all very familiar with. And let's open it up. Oh, and I did get a ribbon inside, it just wasn't on the box. And here it is in the dust bag. Yay. Unboxings are so much more fun when you can share it with people. Okay. So here is the Speedy B30. This is definitely the bigger size. So here we go. Oh my. Okay. Actually, maybe I'll show you the other side. Here is the Speedy B30. This definitely is a slouchy bag, as you can see. I wanted to get it in the Damier Ebene canvas because it's more of a carefree canvas than the monogram that comes with the fascetta leather. And I also wanted to get it with the bandolier straps. It's easier for me in my lifestyle to be able to carry it over my shoulder or crossbody as opposed to just handheld, even though I do think it looks very chic when you hold it top handle, but with two kids running around, that just seemed unlikely. Okay, sorry for the pause. I just noticed, okay, I'm gonna put the box down and get a closer look. Okay, I don't wanna be overly picky, but I feel like the straps maybe are a little warped, and I don't know if it's the lighting. Okay, I'm gonna bring this in for a close-up. Maybe you can see it. Okay, I don't know, I feel like maybe, do you see this bump here? Now, I feel bad even saying that because I don't want to be, no, I see it for sure, like over here too. Stitching also seems a little off here, though, to be honest, usually that type of thing doesn't bother me, and I probably wouldn't even notice that if I weren't already looking at the straps very carefully. Okay, I still really love this bag. It's obviously classic, iconic Louis Vuitton bag. If any of you have this bag, I would be really curious to know if that's to be expected on the Speedy 30 bandolier. After I filmed the unboxing, I actually took a closer look at the bag, and I did find 3 issues with the bag. The first one I mentioned already, that's the bubbling up of the leather under the bandolier, and it's on both sides, as you can see. The second issue I found was actually with the straps. As you can see, this is a normal strap. It's leather all the way around. It's very smooth where the strap attaches to the bag, and over here it's fuzzy. It's got a white fuzziness in it. It doesn't look like it's smooth leather. And that's on both parts of the strap, as you can see, fuzzy and normal. And then thirdly, I also mentioned before, the stitching is a bit frayed. There has been a lot of talk in Facebook groups and other places about Louis Vuitton, in fact on YouTube as well, about the quality issues with Louis Vuitton. And I love all of my Louis Vuitton items, to be honest. I haven't had any issues with quality. I've had an amazing experience with the company and with my sales associate. So I don't want to turn this into a bashing of Louis Vuitton at all, because I've really found a lot of joy in these items, and I found a lot of joy in the community that's here. I think what this has actually made me realize what I want to do is I still want the Speedy Bandolier 25 or 30 in Damier Ebene that's new, especially since I already bought it. but I think I also wanted a 25 in monogram, and I'm almost wondering now if I should buy that one vintage and kind of do a comparison. This has just piqued my interest about what the difference is between the vintage quality and the current quality. Another thing I've heard is that the made in France quality is different than the made in the USA quality. I don't know if that's true or not. I haven't really compared my made in France versus USA bags, but I'm just curious to take a peek to see where this bag was made. Not that I want to fuel those rumors, but so it's made in the USA, according to the label on the interior of the bag. Okay, so obviously I've been a little distracted by the issues with this bag. I would actually love to know in the comments below, do you think I'm overreacting? Am I being ridiculous? I do wonder if I'm just, my standards are too high. Obviously these bags are, mass produced in a way, and, not every single bag is gonna be perfect. I hope you guys don't judge me for being like too picky. I think it's just when you spend this kind of money on a bag, you just want it to be perfect. And when you're excited about something, you want it to be perfect. And then of course there's also the issue, though I don't really plan to resell my bags ever, there is that issue of resale, so if it comes and it's imperfect and you want to sell it later, it still has that imperfection, which could impact the price. But obviously this video has gone completely awry. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to, since the return window is going to close at some point, I'm still going to film, I think, the comparison video between the 25 and the 30, and I will upload that in the near future so I can get your advice as soon as possible before that window closes. And yeah. Thank you so much for going on this adventure with me. This is my first and hopefully my last Louis Vuitton unboxing gone wrong. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.